Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this class, we are going to learn how to auto-generate captions for your videos. So yeah, long are the days when we had to generate captions one by one. It was a really long and lengthy process, but now you can auto-generate captions using CapCut and a lot of other tools. So yeah, let me show you how you can do it in CapCut. So in the previous class, we learned how you can basically trim your footage so that you can start working on it. So in this class, we are going to learn how to generate captions. So basically this is the footage which we trimmed, and now we are going to generate captions by clicking on this text button over here, this text panel. So I will simply click over here, and over here you can see that there are a lot of templates which we don't want right now. What we want is that we will click on auto captions over here. Okay, and over here it says this auto captions option, and I guess we have to select English over here because we are talking in English. So yeah, it can generate captions in other languages as well, which is really nice, which I didn't know about. So yeah, now what we can do is we can simply click on create, and it will automatically generate all the captions for us, which is crazy because like I mentioned before, when I started making content, there wasn't an option to make captions like these. And as you can see that it generated the captions for the whole video in, I don't know, I guess 10 seconds. So yeah, let me show it to you. Let me press spacebar, or I can click on this play button over here. So I will press the spacebar.
Mr. Beast recently announced that everyone is free to use this content without getting a copyright strike, which is a huge opportunity for making money.
This is great because we now have captions. Obviously they don't look as good, but we can start working on them. We can basically make them come up one by one, but it is amazing to see that they are coming up as I am saying the words. Crazy good. So what you can do is you can now come to the text panel over here. I will simply come to basic over here, and right now it is showing the system font. So what you can do is you can select different kind of fonts over here. Okay, so this is the one which I use. So yeah, I'm going to use my own font, so that, not my own font, but the one which I use in my videos, so that you would have an idea how I make the captions and everything. Okay, so Zilab Nitro is the font of my choice. I will simply click on this, but you can see that everything is really mushed up, really close to each other. So what I can do is I can increase the line size. So line size is the gap between different lines. So I will simply write 20 over here, and as soon as I will click away, you can see that there is a proper gap between the text. Okay, by the way, all of this is being applied to all the captions, not just this one, but everything over here, because applied to all is checked on at the moment. Later on we will turn it off so that we could edit some different parts of the caption. So far so good. So now I'm going to click one of them. So whenever I start adding captions, I do all the things which I want to add to all the captions all together, and then I edit them one by one. So I want to change the font of all of them, so I change the font. Then font size 8 is all right for me. Then what I want to do is I want to change the position. So the position which I use is -700. Okay, because it is not too far down, otherwise it would cover my name and all that stuff, and it is not too far up, so that it won't be so that people won't be able to read it properly. Okay, now if I want, I can change the color as well. So over here I can select this yellow maybe. Okay, seems all right. And then what I do is I basically add a shadow. So I will click on shadow over here. Okay, and basically this is my own style for my own videos. So I will select red over here, and let me scroll down a little, and I like to set the angle to 45 and distance to 30. So if you watch my videos on Instagram, on any other platform, these are the captions you see all the time, and this is how I make them. Okay, so let's talk about animation. So I'm done with the captions. Let's play it a little.
This content without getting a copyright strike, which is a huge opportunity for making money.
Really good. But what if I want to appear them one by one? To be honest, it is very easy to do, and there is an option in CapCut for it. So let me show you different kinds of other caption animations as well. So I will click on this. Okay, I can now go to animations. Over here it says animation. I will click on this, and over here we have a lot of animations. You can see that there are like, I guess, 100 of them. So for example, I want to use this typewriter one, so I can click on this.
Which is a huge opportunity for getting a copyright strike. Which is a huge opportunity for making money. Let me show you how. So basically,
Right? So good. But whenever you apply the animation, it gets applied on just one of the texts. Okay, if you want to apply it on all of them, you have to select all of them using your mouse. Okay, so simply create a rectangle over here like this, select all of them, and now if I select these,
so basically,
the animation has been applied on all of them. But let me show you the one which shows the captions one by one. So for that, what you have to do is there is in animation, out animation, loop, and then there is caption. So caption ones are the ones which really show the one word one by each word one by one. Sorry. So there are a lot of amazing animations over here, like the one over
so
here.
basically,
You can see.
it is a tool through which you can convert any long form video into short clips.
So they are appearing one by one. But the one which I really like is this pop one.
So basically,
So it shows.
Mr. B.
So it basically shows each of the captions one by one, each of the words one by one. So let me play it for you.
Mr. Beast recently announced that everyone is free to use this content without getting a copyright strike, which is a huge opportunity for making money.
Crazy good. Okay, let me decrease the sound a little as well, because I think you guys will get annoyed by this because I don't think it is very important for you guys to hear that sound. I guess this is more important. Okay, so yeah, basically this is how you add captions, but you can get away with this is more than enough for your videos, and the purpose of this course is to basically tell you how to know enough editing so that you could actually do this kind of work for someone else or for yourself. But let me go a little ahead, and let me tell you how you can edit individual text as well. Okay, so basically what I like to do is I select some of the areas in my videos which I want to emphasize so that they would be different from the others. For example, if I play this over here.
Mr. Beast recently announced that everyone is free to use this content without getting a copyright strike, which is a huge opportunity for making money. Let me show you how.
So let me show you how is something which I want to emphasize. So what I can do is I can come over here. Okay, I can simply click over here, and instead of using this caption, what I like to do is I can basically use a different template over here. Okay, I can come down over here, I can select maybe a different kind of maybe caption like this one over here. So I will click over here, and now it is different from others, and I can change its size as well. So let me change the size to maybe 14. Okay, so now it is big enough, and I like to change the animation to something as well. So I will go to in animation over here, and over here let me select this one.
Let me show you how.
So I think it is a little bigger. Let me change it to 10, and yeah, let me show you how it will look like.
Which is a huge opportunity for making.
Okay, so I made a mistake over here. I forgot to turn off this option over here, apply to all. So I will have to press Ctrl or Command Z to undo all of this. Okay, now I will select this one again. I will turn off apply to all. Okay, and now I will change it. So let me quickly do this again. I will go to templates, let me select this template over here, then I will go to basic and change the size to 10, animation, and change the animation to this. Okay, so now all of this is how it will look like.
Which is a huge opportunity for making money. Let me show you how.
See, it is different. Or you can change it to something really different if you want. Let's just say this blue over here. So you can see that it will look really different.
Huge opportunity for making money. Let me show you how.
Okay. So yeah, let me change it to something like this at the moment, so that you will have an idea that this is different. So let's move on a little and see if there is any other part where we can change it. Okay.
So you can take Mr. Beast any viral video and make shorts out of it. And they are more likely to go viral because they are Mr. Beast videos.
So because they are Mr. Beast videos, we can change this as well. So let me change this to this red as well. Okay. Or maybe this one. I don't like either of them. Let's select this one. Okay, good enough. And then we can go to animation, change it to this one,
They are Mr. Beast videos.
and we are good to go. So let's play it.
They are more likely to go viral because they are Mr. Beast videos.
Good enough. So yeah, this was pretty much it on how to add captions. By the way, all the other captions didn't get edited because I turned off apply to all. So, but if I turn it on and then make a change, it will get applied to all the captions. So yeah, this was pretty much it on how you can automatically add captions to your videos and then individually edit some of them as well. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.